Gentlemen, if you've ever had a woman suddenly go cold, mid-action, lose enthusiasm, or worse, never hit you up again, you might be guilty of these major turn-offs. And here's the brutal truth. No woman will tell you this to your face, but I will. Fix these and watch the magic happen. Number 1. Bad hygiene. This is non-negotiable. Let's be real. No woman wants to be hit with smelly breath, swampy nether regions, or BO mid-session. Before you go down on any woman, please clean up. Make sure that you are smelling nice. Wash off everywhere, especially the private area. I mean, you can't be putting a dirty joystick into her. Brush your mouth, brush your tongue, in fact, scrub your tongue. Make sure that the breath that comes out from your mouth is clean. No woman would want to kiss you if your mouth smells like a disgusting sewage pit. Don't be shocked when she turns her face to the other side when you want to kiss her or when she fakes a headache. Before a woman comes to your house, especially when you know that you're going to get down with her, clean up the house. Change the sheets, take your bath, wash your nether regions properly. You don't expect her to suck a dirty joystick, do you? Dry up, and for the love of all things holy, wear deodorant. If you're wearing clothes before the action starts, spray nice perfumes and body spray. Make yourself smell really nice. It's attractive, and she'll be all over you. Number 2, the slippery joystick and lack of rhythm. If you're constantly slipping out of her, fumbling, or relying on her to guide you back in, and this happens over and over again, you're killing the vibe. Women notice these things, and it makes the action become really boring. Be confident. The size of your joystick does not really matter. It's how you use it that matters. Learn control, find your rhythm, the best position that will ensure you handle her properly, and for goodness sake, practice, because nothing ruins momentum like a oops, let me adjust it, again, or baby, can you put it back in quickly before it goes down? Major turn off. Number 3, rough handling a woman's body. Some men don't know how to handle a woman properly. Biting her nipples like they're beef jerky or squeezing her like a stress ball isn't passionate. It's painful. If you suck those nipples that way, or squeeze them so hard, the woman is likely to feel pain for days before she recovers. You have to be gentle. Pamper your woman's body. For those of us with beards, be mindful of the beards when you are going down on her with your tongue. Beard scratches and the woman's intimate area is very delicate and sensitive. We don't want our women feeling intense pain, especially when they want to pee instead of feeling intense satisfaction. Women want controlled intensity, not wrestling moves. If she's wincing instead of moaning, you're doing it wrong. Touch her like you actually like her. Number 4, the sauna experience. Sweat does not always equal sexiness. A steamy session is one thing, a literal sauna is another. If your room feels like the Sahara Desert with no AC or fan, she's not moaning, she's suffocating. Sweat dripping in her eyes? Sticking to the sheets? Yeah, that's a mood killer. We don't want everywhere wet and smelly. I mean, a little sweat shows you're hitting it properly, but when your body starts leaking like a faucet, sweat dripping on her face, entering her eyes, mouth, or just dropping on her, it's a total turn-off. Imagine she wants to hold you to feel more connected to you and you're soaking in your own sweat. Yeah, total turn-off. Keep it cool or don't bother doing it then. Number 5, shouting like a mad dog during ejaculation. Some men have the innate ability to shout as though their asses are on fire when they're having an orgasm. Learn to control your excitement when experiencing this, especially when you know there are other people in the house. Imagine going in for a quickie and shouting like a maniac during orgasm, automatically getting the attention of people around, letting everyone know what you are up to and making the woman face embarrassment. Now, I'm not saying don't show any emotion, but there are better ways to express your pleasure. 6, the selfish grand finale. No, it's not just about you. If the entire session is all about your pleasure, zero foreplay, no attention to her needs, and you're done the second you finish, congrats, you just earned a one-way ticket to the never again list. Women remember who puts in effort. Be the guy she wants to come back to, the guy she can't stop gushing about to her friends, the guy that makes her feel so special and satisfied that she'll be reaching out for your next bedroom activity. Master these 6 fixes and you'll stand out in the best way possible. Because let's be honest, most guys won't bother. But you're different. Now go level up. And hey, Drop a comment below if you've ever experienced or done any of these. We know you have. Don't forget to like and share. Catch you in the next one.